Hello, so welcome as we solve this nice Maths Olympiad problem within the shortest time possible. So if you know how to work it out, please kindly comment with the answers on the comment section. So let's start with the solution. So on our solution, this one is the maths problem that you are having. So 3 to the power of a plus 1 plus 3 to the power of a is equals to 36. So considering that we have mastered some of the laws to do with the indices or the exponential equation, this one will not be difficult for us to work it out. So here now we shall now say that when we have the sign of the multiplication, we shall change to addition. Addition changes to multiplication. So here now we shall have 3 to the power of a, then the plus shall now change to multiplication. So 3 to the power of a multiplied by 3 to the power of 1. Then here now we shall have plus, here now we shall have 3 to the power of a, which is equals to 36. So that is our first step that we shall work out. So considering whatever we are having, 3 to the power of a, so here also we have 3 to the power of 1, then here also we have 3 to the power of a. So it means that 3 to the power of a is common. So now we shall pick 3 to the power of a, then now into bracket. So we shall fix this 3 because 3 to the power of 1 is 3. So we shall have it that way. Then from there we shall have the sign, the plus, into our bracket. Then 3 to the power of a, when you work out with 1, it shall leads to 3 to the power of a multiplied by 1. We shall have 3 to the power of a. So which now is equals to 36. So from there now, we shall now say that since we have 3 to the power of a, so what we are going to work out is the number inside the bracket. So we shall have 3 to the power of a into bracket, 3 plus 1 is 4, close the bracket, is equals to 36. So from there now we shall work out this maths problem in that we want to remain with 3 to the power of a. So meaning that we shall have to divide both sides by 4. So this side also by 4. So 4 by 4 shall cancel. So now 3 to the power of a is equals to, see, so 4 here once, 4 into 36, we shall have 9. So 3 to the power of a is equals to 9. So let's now change this 9 to the base and an index. So 3 to the power of a is equals to, now we shall have 3 to the power of 2. So now finally our value for a in this case, so now we shall now say that our value for a is equals to 2 because we shall only pick the index numbers. So if you happens to get your answers 2, you worked it out and you finally get the correct answer. So let's now confirm. So we have 3 to the power of a, then plus 1 plus 3 to the power of a is equals to 36. So from here we shall now replace with 2. So 3 to the power of 2 plus 1 plus, we also replace a with 2, 3 to the power of 2 is equals to 36. So here now 3 to the power of 2 plus 1, that is like 3 to the power of 3 because 2 plus 1 is 3. So 3 to the power of 3 is something to do with 27 because 3 times 3 is 9, then 9 times 3 is 27, then plus 3 to the power of 2 is 9 is equals to 36. So finally we shall now conclude by having 27 plus 9, so we shall have 36 is equals to 36. So meaning that our value for a is equals to 2. So if you love how we've worked it out, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.